What you doing?
Making a video.
Video time.
Hey, I'm making it right now.
Oh, sorry.
Hey guys, it's Jada and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but I'm back now. And I'm going to start uploading videos weekly again. But anyway, I think everyone who watches YouTube videos has seen this trend. I followed a blanks tutorial. I wanted to work on my watercolor skills, so I chose this video. The original video is in the description box below since I muted it because I wanted to talk in this video. When I'm drawing or painting, doing anything art related, it's hard for me to talk because I'm so concentrated, so I forget to talk. Plus, I talk quiet on camera and I don't have one of those fancy microphones, so it's just easier to do voiceovers because you can hear me better. I love it when YouTubers explain their videos very well and they don't talk fast. Also, I like it when they list the steps on the screen so it's easier to follow and I know exactly what I'm doing. So, let's talk about the painting. The sky portion was very easy and I liked it better before I painted the trees. I love using watercolors because they are fast and easy to use. They are easy to blend. I think it's like my favorite art medium right now. I think when I use them, maybe in the future, I'll do my own art tutorials. I had a difficult time drawing the big stars, but the small stars were easy and lots of fun. The trees, on the other hand, they were so difficult at first. The first one was trash. It looked like a big blob. You can't even see it when it dries. The second one, it's okay, but it was definitely better. The rest were pretty good for my first time drawing trees. I think I'm going to practice doing trees in the future in my watercolor book because I'm so used to drawing faces. It's nice to expand and get out of my comfort zone and try new things. So I can't wait to do more art like these in the future. As you can see towards the end of the video, mine doesn't look like hers, and I'm glad it doesn't because As you can see, mine doesn't look like hers, and I'm glad it doesn't because I wanted mine to be different. Even though I was not happy with the trees, I think it turned out really good because in real life, not all trees look the same, and they aren't perfect. The branches are just there. Plus, at nighttime, in real life, you can't see the trees that well anyway. When I'm always drawing, I always look at a reference, so that's one thing that I didn't do that I could have done to make it look better. Sorry if the voiceover was repeating, but Filmora kept on glitching when I was trying to edit something out, so I did the best I can to try to fix it. This might sound weird, but peeling things is so satisfying. Like when I was peeling the tape, I don't know, it's just like so satisfying. When I was little, I used to put glue, like the liquid kind, on my hands and then peel it when it's dry. I did some crazy things when I was a kid. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a like, and check out Artbybee7 original video in the description box below. I'm going to start uploading every Saturday, so I'll see you in my next video. Peace!
This is a Chucky Beat production.